Today in this video, we will learn about how to secure your WordPress website by hiding every information from outside. For that, log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Plugins section. Now here, you need to install a new plugin in your WordPress. Therefore, search for SAR One Click Security. Now here click on Install Now. Once the plugin is installed successfully, tap on Activate button. Now plugin is activated successfully. In case if you have to deactivate this plugin, click here. You do not need to use any type of front-end panel or interface. Right away activation will secure your WordPress website completely.